Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Faith, and today I am bringing back a little kind of like challenge video, I guess this would be called. I don't know, it was just like a trend that a bunch of people were doing years ago, and it's the what's in my purse or what's in my bag video. I asked you guys on Instagram stories if you want to see this, if it's still something that interests you, and it was overwhelmingly yes, do the video, so I definitely wanted to do it for you. So let's jump right on in. Okay, so the bag that I have been using is this one right here. This is from Louis Vuitton, and it is the, what's it called? Bucket. That's it. It's the monogram bucket bag. I believe it's the mini one. This was my mom's and she gave it to me, so that's how I got my hands on this. I do not have the money to be spending on designer bags, so in case you're wondering, like, no, this is like my one and only, and I love it, and it's really awesome, and it fits a ton of stuff. So let's get right on into this and see what's in here. I have not cleaned it out. I hope I don't get embarrassed, but I'm gonna show you everything that's in here. So the first thing I see is this receipt. This was the packaging slip or receipt that I received when I shipped off the giveaway package to the giveaway winner from April's giveaway. So that's what that is. The next thing I see is this little wallet. This is where I keep my driver's license, any dollar bills. I have my credit card, debit card. Actually, fun fact, I don't even own a credit card. It scares me too much. I know everyone says you should get a credit card to build up your credit score, but I just don't want to. So my debit card, and then I have a couple gift cards. I have an Ulta gift card, surprise, surprise, and a Marshall's gift card. If I'm just running into the store and just want to grab this, that's what this is for. I got this at TJ Maxx. It doesn't really have a brand name on it. Yeah, it was like $3. Okay, then I have the actual Louis Vuitton wallet that came inside of this. It has like a little clasp you can connect it to, but I just leave it unconnected. And what I have in here are all my other cards, like all my different gift cards that I don't use all the time, and like bonus cards, like shoppers cards. I have like my Ulta club card, my Panera card, my Sephora card, all just different cards that I don't use all the time. I have my voting registration card. I have a little like police sheriff's card because I know a state trooper, and if I ever get pulled over, this would hopefully help me. So that is all in here. Had a big wallet, but it was just getting so bulky, so I just keep that in here. I probably should clean this out and like maybe put this in here so I could just take this out as like a wallet, because that'd be kind of cute. But then, yep, we all know what that is. I'm not gonna elaborate. My keys. I just have my car keys, my house keys, a bottle opener, because you never know when you need to crack one. I have a random list. Let's see, what was this list? Friday lunch. Lunch? I don't know what that means. And then I say Wet n Wild makeup for tutorial elf, and Wet n Wild makeup for a giveaway, school supplies, backpack. Oh my gosh, is this back from when I did the back to school giveaway? Yes, this is from so long ago. This is from like almost a year ago when I did my back to school giveaway, and it was like a list of things I needed to get. That needs to go in the garbage. Okay, I have a hair clip. I love these clips. It's better than using a ponytail holder because it's a lot safer for your hair, so I always have. I was gonna say one of those. I have a second one. Okay, what else? I have gift cards. That should be in my Louis Vuitton little wallet, so let's get that straightened out. These are to the Buffalo Chop House, which is a really nice restaurant. Nick took me there for my birthday, and they give you like coupons to use your next time you go. Oh, I still have this in my purse. This is a letter that my mom wrote me when I was in college, and she found it when she was cleaning out my old closet, like in my parents' house, and she wanted to show it to me. I am really bad at keeping like sentimental things. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be getting rid of this one. How cute is this pink paper? In here, she talks about like praying for my future spouse. At this point, I hadn't met Nick yet, and she was just sending me a nice letter to like cheer me up. I think I was kind of like, I liked a guy, he didn't like me back, that sort of thing. So she wrote me a letter and basically was just saying, I know there's someone special out there for you, and I've prayed for him, whoever that person might be, since the day you were born, and I know God will honor my prayers. And she goes on, my mom is awesome. And of course now I have Nick, so it all worked out and her prayers were answered. So what else is in here? I have some old Post-its with someone's name and address on it. Oh, this was a giveaway winner. Okay, next thing I see in the pocket here are these little sunglasses that I got. These are actually from Amazon. I will try to find them and link them down below, but I really wanted like a little small pair of sunglasses because I know that the mini sunglasses are really in right now, and the cat eye as well. So I got them in black, which you see here, and also in a turquoise, no, not turquoise, tortoise shell. I got them in a tortoise shell. And I think they're super, super cute. So I'll link those below. They were so affordable. Then in that same pocket, I have my Glossier lip gloss. And then the last item in the bag is this big pouch. And this is where I keep all of my makeup and like medicine and things like that. So first thing is this Sensitive Eyes Contact Safe Re-Wetting Drops. So I'm a contact lens wearer, my eyes are super dry, and these are the kind of drops that you can actually drop in your eye while your contacts are in, because most eye drops, you're not supposed to put them in your eyes unless your contacts are out. These are for when your contacts are in. And I really like this. This is from Bausch & Lomb. These have been really helpful because I have very sensitive eyes. Next thing up, this is so embarrassing. This is an acid reducer. I get acid reflux sometimes, so you never know when you're gonna need one of those after eating some chicken wings. Next up, I have a little mirror. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really like this compact mirror. One side is like super close up and the other side is like a normal mirror. So this is definitely my favorite little handheld mirror, so I always keep that in my purse. I also have a mini hairbrush. This is literally so old. I have had this since high school. That is crazy. I've carried this with me everywhere, like since I was in high school. That's insane. Next up, I have some spare contacts because you never know when they're gonna pop out of your eyes and you're gonna need new ones. Okay, I also have a Victoria's Secret Bombshell Rollerball. I actually really like how the Victoria's Secret perfumes smell. Ooh, I never wear perfume, like ever, but just in case I need to smell good, I guess I have that in there. I didn't even know that was in there, but look, today I'm gonna smell good. Okay, I have a little like spray hand sanitizer. So I like that little bottle. I also have a regular type of hand sanitizer. This is from Bath & Body Works. It's the pocket whatever things that go in the Bath & Body Works things you can get like to attach onto your purse. This is the Warm Vanilla Sugar Antibacterial Hand Gel. I also have some Aleve. I also have two Bare Minerals powders. This one is like a little travel size compact. It was like a sample, but I love putting this in here in case I need to touch up. This is the pressed powder from Bare Minerals in medium beige, and I have this little mini kabuki that came with it, so if I ever need to touch up like my nose area or chin area, I just go into the powder and it works perfectly. I also have a mini like normal, like their face foundation powder. I also have a Mary Kay tinted balm. This was my mom's and she didn't like it because it's really pink. So she gave it to me and I actually really like it. It is extremely hydrating and it gives your lips like a little bit of a pink color. So I like to carry that around with me. I also have a mascara. This is from L'Oreal. It's their Voluminous Superstar Mascara and it's like the double-ended kind that has a primer and then a regular mascara. I actually really like this mascara. I just haven't used it much because it's been stuck down here in my bag. I don't know how that ended up in there because I really never reapply mascara, but okay. I also have a little like bobby pin thing. And then the last two things are a Kylie Cosmetics lip pencil lip liner. This is the one called Charm. And then I also have this matte liquid lipstick from Sente. This is like an Amazon brand, but I don't know, somehow it ended up in this bag. I really never use this, but it's in there just in case. Is that everything? Yes, that is everything. The bag is now empty aside from my sunglasses. So that is what is in my bag, you guys. I don't know, nothing too crazy, but definitely some cute sentimental things. You got to know a little bit more about me through this, so that's really cool. I have been thinking about doing an updated Q&A. I haven't done a Q&A since I was like maybe around 3,000 or 4,000 subscribers, so there's a ton more of you guys, more squad members, more family. So because of that, I am thinking of doing a updated Q&A. If you guys want to see that, just let me know down in the comments. If I get a ton of you guys saying yes, do a Q&A, I definitely will do one, but I don't know if you want that. So just let me know down in the comments and I will definitely do one if a bunch of you guys request it. So that wraps up the video. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye!